In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by visiting the Squarespace website at squarespace.com. If you haven't set up your account yet, you'll need to create one to get started with managing your website there. Squarespace is an intuitive website builder, and once you're logged in, you'll be able to access its robust suite of tools. Next, click on the login button, typically found in the upper right hand corner of the Squarespace homepage. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, your email address and password to access the admin dashboard. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you might need to follow a few extra steps to secure your login. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. Now navigate to your specific website by selecting the website option from the main menu. This is where all the magic happens. When you click on your website, it brings up the editing interface for that specific web project. In the next step, you'll want to get into editing mode. Click on the edit button, which opens up the ability to customize the pages on your website. Each element on the page can be adjusted, and this includes areas where you'd like to integrate external apps like Calendly. Once you're in editing mode, look for the option to add new blocks to your page. Blocks are the building units of your Squarespace page, allowing you to add text, images, forms, or in our case, code snippets. Find the Add Blocks button and click on it to open up the selection of block types. Among the block options available, you'll see a code block. This is precisely what we need to embed Calendly into your site. Select the code block to proceed. It will provide a space for you to enter the custom HTML or Unix code. Now go to your Calendly dashboard to copy the embed code for your calendar. This code allows us to seamlessly integrate your scheduling interface into your website. Once you have the code copied, return to Squarespace and paste it into the code block you previously added. And there you have it, your Calendly widget will now appear on your Squarespace site, making it much easier for users to book appointments directly from your website. Always preview your changes to ensure everything looks and functions as expected before publishing your site updates. That's it, quick, easy and efficient. With this integration, you're better equipped to manage your appointments and enhance the user experience on your site. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.